What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the EPS Carry. Man, let's get into this because this is a spicy one. First disclaimer, I rock, Holosun on all my guns, every single gun that, we have on the channel, that's coming to the channel. I'm a Holosun fiend. The EPS, I'm not a fan of it. I mean, alright, so I don't even know where to start. Alright, so 507K that I had was amazing. See the red dot, even though I have astigmatism, it was great. The EPS Carry did not live up to what it is. Okay, now I know Holosun says made in the US, it's made in China, parts are, Again, this is an honest review, and I'm just not vibing with the EPS Carry, man. I mean, this is, if you try to mess with the settings a little bit, I don't know, the dot doesn't show up. It's just not it. I mean, looking at it from a third eye view, as something I carry on my ADC, it's on me all the time. It just doesn't live up to what it is. The dot's not always there. The shake to feature is not always there. It's overpriced for what it is. If I was to go out and buy one, I would say stick with the 507K. The reason being on the 507K, yes, there is a downfall of it. It is an open concept. Debris can get inside, stuff can happen. I get that. I understand that. I'm ready to live with that. The EPS Carry, though, it's just not it. If you look at the inside of it, you might maybe see a dot, but it's so slender. It's so non-visible. It's more of, you gotta hope to God it's gonna work. This is my second one. So I went to my local Bass Pro where I bought one. Got it. It was great. Didn't work. Okay, not a problem. They swapped it out. Everything's good. Amazing. I get the second one. This one. Same problem. Now, maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. But this just doesn't hold up like the 507K. I got a hold of Holosun. They told me take it back to Bass Pro. They'll swap it under warranty. Everything's good, great, and amazing. Beautiful. I love that. But this thing, I mean, man, I would not recommend it. And it sucks because we are looking to do work with Holosun, get more stuff for our guns and stuff. But the 507K is a much better fit for me as a person with astigmatism, because I don't have to worry about the light fading out or the light coming in and out. And it's a shame because I do like how the EPS Carry is. I do like how it's, not too big, not too small, closed off. It's perfect. It's beautiful. But, their QC, it's not there. It's not there. And that's their downfall right now, is that it's not there. So, coming from somebody who does deal with guns and, goes to the range a lot and everything, Holosun, make something that is completely reliable no matter what, because the EPS Carry is definitely not it. By far, hands down, this is probably the worst RMR you can possibly get. The only way the dot shows that it's visible and looks good is on camera. If it's not on camera, you can't see it. So as somebody who appreciates things, I appreciate the fact that they did come out with something that's going to be great. But again, unless it's under a camera, you're not going to see it. It looks so much better on camera than it does in real life. This isn't a diss towards Holosun. This isn't, I want my money back. It's none of that. It's just a simple, come out with something better that people with astigmatism can deal with. Yes, there is the green light and that helps. That does. But when you have green sights from the factory on your, stock gun, you're gonna go with red to co-witness. I think there should be something else that's gonna be more, I don't know, better for the money. I mean, you're spending a lot of money here on a product that's not there, and that sucks. Again, this is a full review of what the EPS Carry, and again, it's good for the money, but it's not all there. So, Holosun, I'm sorry to disappoint, but this is an unbiased opinion. This is just an opinion on what it is. This is my review, my take on it, and if this makes somebody want to change their mind, stick with the 507K. That's what I run on all my guns, and I will probably continue to until there's something better than this, because until then, in my opinion, this is trash. It's a waste of the $400. It's not worth it, and that's that. So again, if this helped you out in any way, help the channel grow, like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I'm going to be updating you guys a lot more on some builds. Little preview we have going on. Be prepared for that AR we got coming, because that's going to be something crazy. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.